Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to get logged in into the Skrill account of yours. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a skrill.com and press enter. At the official web page of Skrill, you can see login on top right screen. Just beside of register, you need to click on login. You will be directed to the login form page of Skrill account where you need to provide a registered email address, then password. After you fill up both the details, you need to click on login. Here you need to do some certain verification. Click on verify. You will get logged in into your Skrill account. It's very easy. You just need to provide your registered email address and password. Then you will get directly logged in into your Skrill account. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get signed in into the Skrill account. Thank you.